Welcome back to Bodyswaps. You have been given a unique opportunity to participate in this pilot program. The goal of this video is to set you up for success. This video will review how to access Bodyswaps content, it will introduce you to the 4 modules you've been granted access to, and it will show you how to navigate those modules. Let's get started by launching the Bodyswaps app on your device. I pinned my app to my taskbar, but you might need to search for your app if you saved it to a different place. If you do not have the app, or if you want to load the app onto a different device, please go back and review the instructions in the Bodyswaps Instructions module. After it loads, you will see a panel slider of the 4 interview simulation modules that you have access to. When you are ready to begin a module, select the Download button and then select Start. You will be guided step by step through the module. You can access support and settings in the top left corner, and you can control the pace of the experience with the player controls. Completing these modules will set you up for success on your interview assignment and on real job interviews. Let's learn how. The Managing Interview Anxiety module reviews 3 methods for building confidence and managing your nerves in an interview situation. The Landing the Perfect Job module shows you how to connect your strengths to the role you are applying for. The 3 Steps module is an excellent way for you to practice the CAR, or STARS, method of structuring your interview response. The most important module is the Job Interview Simulator. This is your opportunity to practice your interview skills in a safe place. An avatar will interview you and provide you with meaningful feedback that you can apply. In the simulator, you should try at least 5 of the classic interview questions. This will prepare you to be successful on your mock interview assignment and in future job interviews. Take note of your Bodyswaps interview experiences and be prepared to reflect on them in your mock interview assignment. We encourage you to enable the AI features to get feedback about the content of your answers. The job interview simulation provides meaningful feedback about your pace, filler words, and response content. Select on a category to learn how you can improve for next time. We think that the Bodyswaps simulation can provide you with the support and practice you need to be interview ready. We hope you enjoy it.